Participants reviewed the U.S. Department of Interior standards for rehabilitation in the job trailer during the lecture session prior to the start of any work on the project site. The project specifications for the work of this section were also reviewed. We're at the top of building number 1 at 1 West Wilson, injecting a crack in the terracotta, and John's doing a good job with it right now, placing the crack repair material into the terracotta crack that was routed out earlier with a fine tool to the depth of 1/4 of an inch. It's been about 25 minutes and John's now cutting the excess material from the surface of the wall to get it flush with the terracotta. The certificate program was created and guided by an appropriate and aligned system of analysis, program design, development, implementation, and evaluation. A written test was taken by each participant at the conclusion of the training program.
You say you didn't use a manufacturer?